So we're looking at this 2021 Bentley Continental GT Coupe. Vehicle does present in very clean condition. Up front here, I don't see any evidence of any body damage, any prior repairs, no chips, nicks, dings, or scratches. All the body panel gaps are uniform, evenly aligned. Left fender here looks okay. Left front tire, wheel, brakes all look okay. The windshield is clean, no cracks or chips there. No evidence of any paintwork here on the roof. The driver's door does look to the eye to be perfect. However, when checking with the paint depth gauge, there is significant body filler on the front edge of it. Look here. It's going up to spots of 25. There's some spots of 30. Normally the panels should be pretty uniform all the way across. You can see down here it's at 10, 7, 7 again. So there is some body filler, but the paint does look perfect. The repairs are very, very good. Without the paint depth gauge, you would not know there is any body filler or that there's been any body repairs down there. Coming back here, left side, left quarter, all looks good. I did not find any body filler here. Chrome accents around the windows are all in good condition. The weather strip is clean and supple. Don't see any dry rot or deterioration there. And back here, more of the same. All the body panel gaps line up evenly and uniformly. I did not find any evidence of any body filler, any prior body damage or repairs back here. Glass is in good condition. Chrome accents, emblem, tail lights, everything's all good on this. On the right side, everything looks good as well. I don't see any chips, scratches, nicks, or dings, any faded paint. Tires are all in good condition. Chrome on this side is all good. The weather strips are all good. I did not find any evidence of any body filler or paint work on this side. So it looks to be isolated just to the right, or I'm sorry, the left door, the driver's door. Like I say, overall, it does present very clean.